The morning sun streamed through the entrance of the beehive, waking its buzzing residents. Among them were two young honeybees, Maya and Buzz. Maya, with her bright yellow stripes, was known for her curiosity, while Buzz, a gentle bee with dark brown stripes, had the biggest heart. Maya, good morning, Buzz. Ready for another day of pollen patrol? Buzz always, Maya. Though, wouldn't it be nice to explore a different flower field today? The clover patch is getting a bit familiar. Maya, you read my mind. I heard there's a field of sunflowers beyond the willow tree. Maybe we can find some new nectar there. With a shared glance of excitement, Maya and Buzz snuck past the busy worker bees and flew out of the hive. They zoomed past buzzing blossoms and buzzing bumblebees, their wings a symphony in the air. Buzz, little nervous, are you sure this is the right way, Maya? The willow tree seems far away. Maya, confidently, trust me. Buzz, it's just beyond that bend. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind swirled around the two friends, separating them. Maya, Buzz, where are you? Maya spotted Buzz tangled in a web of spider silk. Her heart raced, but remembering the beehive's safety training, she took a deep breath. Maya, don't worry, Buzz. I'll get you out. Carefully, she followed the silk thread to its source, a large spider weaving its web nearby. Maya remembered their queen's warning about being polite to other creatures in the garden. Maya, bowing politely. Excuse me, kind spider. Could you please release my friend from your web? We're just lost and mean no harm. The spider, surprised by the polite bee, lowered its head. Spider, in a deep voice. Very well, little bee. You seem kind and brave. Your friend is free. The spider carefully untangled Buzz. Reunited, Maya and Buzz thanked the spider and flew on, finally reaching the magnificent sunflower field. The golden flowers towered over them, their pollen-laden faces like miniature suns. Buzz, wow, Maya, this place is amazing. They spent the rest of the day collecting pollen and nectar, their friendship growing stronger with each shared adventure. As the sun began to set, they set off for home, their pollen pouches full and hearts happy. Safely back in the hive, Maya and Buzz were greeted with buzzing concern. Queen Bee, Buzz, Maya, where have you been? We were worried sick. Maya, bowing her head, we apologize, Your Majesty. We got lost while exploring a new flower field. The queen looked at them sternly, then a smile softened her features. Queen Bee, it's good to have you back safe and sound. But remember, next time, inform me before venturing out alone. We look out for each other in the hive, Buzz and Maya. We understand, Your Majesty. Later, nestled together in their honeycomb, Maya and Buzz whispered about the day's adventure. They knew that even though the hive was their home, friendship and exploration made life sweeter still.